What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Cardiar Fresh with Cardiar Fresh TV, and today, of course, I have the missus with me, Alika J, and we are enjoying ourselves here in the beautiful island of Trinidad and Tobago, where my mother is from. So I am like fully like half like Trinidadian, like all the way down. Like my mom's side of the family is all Trinidadian, like everybody. I think I'm the only American. Yeah, I'm the only American born one. Now that I think about it. But anywho, so y'all like, why y'all come to Trinidad? Well, we have a wonderful cook by the name of Alika Harris, who is from there, and well, has those roots. And today is Taco Tuesday, and so we are going to be giving her a review on her tacos that she do for Taco Tuesdays at Alika'S Island. So without any further ado, I will let the beautiful Alika J give y'all a little bit more information regarding Alika'S Island and what we have here on our plate.
All right, so first of all, I want to say thank you. It looks beautiful, it smells delicious. Miss Alika Harris, same thing for her YouTube channel. I stumbled across this young lady just as a beautiful spirit, kind of a kindred soul. And little did I know she's also involved in YouTube and doing a fantastic job with her business. And she is out here cooking for us, y'all. So we're going to try it. I've been really waiting to do this for a while. So it's so good. She has 3 jerk chicken tacos here with a pineapple chow. Jerk chicken tacos.
I didn't even know that.
Pineapple chow slaw, avocado lime dressing. She has a vegan option for those of you who are ready now. And pineapple lemonade.
Hey man, excited.
With the calypso option.
Oh yeah, shout out to the chef, man. Great. Oh man. But before we go any further, you guys already know.
Oh,
you gotta subscribe, man. You know what I'm saying? So we greatly appreciate y'all, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, all that cool stuff, man. Yo, let's get them up, run them numbers up. Yes, let's run it up, baby. We gotta run them all up.
Y'all know you want to see where we're going next.
Yeah, so we definitely going to enjoy ourselves here. All the information to Alika'S Island will be in the description below. Again, shout out to her. Go subscribe to her YouTube channel. That also will be in the description below.
She has a full menu in the Austin area for meetup and pickup. She's closed on, I believe, Thursdays and 2 days out of the week. Yeah,
we'll find out and we'll put all that info in there. In the meantime, in between time, we about to go ahead and slam on this shit. Oh wait, y'all subscribe, right?
Can you please go ahead and push play?
Please. What is it? Push goddamn button. So, but anyways, we're about to get busy and eat, so let's go.
All right.
All right, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and chow down here on these delicious church. What you said this is what?
Jerk chicken.
Oh yeah.
Tacos. Pineapple chow slaw.
Oh yeah. So we gonna get you understand me? And oh, she got some green sauce. Yo, shout out to the green sauce, man. The green sauce. Hey man, if you don't know nothing about the green sauce, you lost, man. I'm telling you. You don't know no good if you don't know nothing about the green sauce, man. What it? Don't you? No.
I ain't saying nothing.
I know. I gotta dress mine up, see, get mine right, man. Let me see what's going on right now.
Baby! Oh, sorry.
Oh, man.
Baby!
Oh, yeah, it's good. It must be real good. Oh, yeah. So the taste, tell me about how
Oh, man, first of all, let me tell you, that seasoning just punched me in the soul. Like,
hey, hold on. Hey, what you say this was again?
Pineapple lemonade. Are there toes in there?
Man, she got bunions in there, all kinds of, man.
Y'all, hold on. I gotta take another bite.
Damn, I'm kind of nervous. Like, man, if the juice that good, man, hey, say.
So, you know, this was kind of a last minute deal. This is getting eaten in the car next time. If you could only. Oh, he's on his first bite. I'm done with my first bite too.
Hey, yo. I'm gonna just go ahead and say 10 out of 10. I was gonna do the overall at the very end. I don't have to. Them other two ain't.
It tastes like it looks in her videos, y'all. And I've been drooling, girl, I've been drooling over this stuff for like months. You have no idea. So, you know, I've been on hardcore lockdown. And I'm just in heaven right now. I just really want to thank you for this experience.
I don't even know what the hell to talk about right now.
Girl, you know we got a wedding coming up.
Oh, yeah. I ain't, look, I don't really know Slim like that at all. I ain't even know nothing about this at all. I'm just glad that the missus did, and that she was on her game.
I kept talking about, he'd be like, but over his head.
You know?
She keep talking about this. All right, let me take the ride.
All I know is I'm glad that she didn't drop the ball. Because I'm going to just tell you right now, man. Hey, look, man. I don't gas nobody up. That ain't my forte. I don't rock like that. You know what I'm saying? For one.
No, he don't.
Because I ain't going to never let another woman's food or cooking sound or be better than mine. Like, just being real with you, but I'm going to be funky with you at the same time. Damn it, man.
Girl. Y'all, her logo, her business is on point.
Oh, yeah.
You know, very professional.
Oh, the quality, like, I mean, the cups got a logo on it.
Yeah. So let's support our local businesses, you know? This feels great, tastes great. I mean, like, you can't get this.
And I definitely am a huge supporter in black-owned business, so I definitely got to go, you know what I'm saying, and do that. And she Trinidad roots. I can't. You know what I'm saying? So.
And I've always had
Mama?
an affinity for Caribbean, like, everything, so.
And you're like, everything was cooked just right. Like, nothing was undercooked or overcooked, like, anything. The only thing I would say, had these been the corn tacos and not the flour ones, like, on the skillet, like, with the butter ones, like that.
We be on them corn tortillas.
I'd have ran back to you. I'd have ran back to you.
Meat shit. Oh, man. Shout out to the chef. What else do we do?
I'm trying to get my thoughts together first. But all I'm going to say is, if that's the only thing I can find wrong, that says a whole lot.
There's a lot of love in this.
And it got a nice little kick to it. But, no, all the truthness though, it's like all the flavors like hit your tongue in different areas. So like your tongue in your mouth is constantly watery because it's like you got a little bit of the pineapple sweetness. Then you got the little spice from the jerk. And then the onions and then the carrots and everything kind of help soothe it a little bit. And then the chicken. It's just like, boom, when you're eating it, nice. Okay, cool. It's not all the work and all that. Right. But
no,
I definitely want to say shout out to the chef again, Alika Harris. Thanks, babe. This is one of those. I appreciate you being on the ball on that one because I ain't gonna high side to you. I just like, okay, cool, she's doing the thing, you know. All right, but
you know, the universe works miraculous.
So I think we both can agree it's a 10 overall.
Yeah.
Like I said earlier. The only reason I haven't ate all of mine is because I'm talking.
You talking.
But I promise you, as soon as this camera goes off, gone. You understand me?
And excuse my manners.
No.
My plate gone.
One of us had to be real about it. I mean, hey, you know,
that's
hey.
how good it is.
Hold on, man.
So we will be back.
Some vodka in this? Ooh.
Rum.
Rum? I think.
You have to see that.
Alright, rum. Okay, rum. What kind of rum?
Can you hit the drum?
That's cool. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up, man. And in all honesty, job well done. I definitely see that there's no hype on their page. Everything that you see people saying is real. No hype, no gas. We ain't got on no 93 propane, you know, we ain't doing any of that. I'm just being straight honest with you, you know what I'm saying? Still the best, you know, but I gotta give her flowers on this one today, you know what I'm saying? So, shout out to Alika Harris again, follow her, all her information will be in the description below. Anyways, yo, shout out to the chef once again, Alika Harris, great job, but I gotta go, man, cause I can't eat and talk to y'all at the same time, so, anything you want to say?
Alright, just go and catch up with me and meet you on the other side, because I'm about to take a nap.
You did.
So y'all gotta go.
So, alright, you did. It's your boy Cardiar Fresh from Cardiar Fresh TV.
And it's Malika J.
You know my slogan, I got the recipe, baby. Now let's cook. Peace.